But here's, I think I bought this on Amazon for $15, and it's the same thing, other than this one has a bracket on it, this one doesn't. But looks like what they did in order to fit it with the bracket there was they just cut that. They just sliced the bracket off so it would fit in the factory bracket here. That's what's so good about the factory bracket. You can adjust this for the right angle. This is solid metal. It's kind of hard to adjust. Anyway, we're gonna have to take a metal cutoff wheel on a grinder, I think, and cut that off like they did. Okay, I am now going to cut off the bracket here with a angle grinder cutoff wheel, and we're gonna make our cut right along in here. Okay, and I just took their bracket, put 2 screws, hold it to a piece of scrap wood, clamped it down to this scrap table, and so I'm going to do the eye and hearing protection and cut this thing off right now. Cushion the landing with this bucket down below here when it falls, and I'll update you after I'm done with this. Okay, here's our final result. I just went through it like butter with the cutoff saw. Thin blade from Harbor Freight. Just says 4.5-inch cutoff wheel for metal. Okay. And it happened just like I thought it would. There it was connected, and then it just dropped into the bucket. No harm, no foul. Anyway, I'll take it inside and see about hooking up the new switch to it next.